episode is a very helpful episode, actually, for dropshippers that are interested in finding items that are selling, like today. I'm gonna show you a way how you can find items that are selling right now on eBay, so you can dropship. Okay, now let's just do a little recap on DSD's training, which is basically the teaching you how to research items, um, finding the competitor, finding the items that are selling, and all that. So usually we're told to come to Amazon and put a keyword in here, then break it down to the category that you want to sell from. Okay, so for example, I don't know, pet and supplies. Um, we're gonna find what's new and popular. We all know this, right? I mean, whoever's in DSD for the past how long? How long? So, for example, let's see, we find this one right here and we want to sell it on eBay. We're going to find the item, how much it's being sold on eBay, etc. Find your competition and then price it a little bit lower or a little bit higher. It depends on you. So, for example, like that item that I just found, I'm going to be able to find it right here in this list. Give me a second so I can give you an example of what we're being taught and what I'm going to teach you right after this. Second. Missing it somewhere? Maybe I didn't do it right. Searching for this item on eBay. I want to see what it's being sold. Okay. There box. There it is. So basically, we're told it's 11:37 here. It's 9:99 there. So it's telling me to do this, and then I come in here and I'm like, okay, this guy's drop shipping, etc. I'm gonna go see his other items, okay, and then I'm gonna go to sold listings right here, and it's gonna show me his items or her items that are selling right now or just sold, for example. Okay, so we're gonna scratch that. We're not gonna do that. Okay, we're not gonna do all that. This is something different. How about we get straight to the treasure? Like, for example, instead of putting that searching keyword in Amazon, why don't you do it on eBay? But not only that, I'm gonna filter out some things over here on the left hand side. Okay, so I'm gonna look for items that are new, because we're looking for items that I can drop ship right now. I'm not looking for items that you want to sell from home. Okay, so I want items that are sold in the U.S. Like usually when drop shippers are selling in the U.S., this is what we want. Okay, what through the U.S. We could do worldwide if we want, but it's best to keep it nice and to have more sure results with this. You can already see some things here, but my trick here is to also add the free shipping. So we're choosing free shipping as well in the filtered areas. Okay. And the last part we're going to do is actually click on sold listings. I mean, it's that simple. It's crazy. So what it's showing me right now is that from all the categories right here, they're showing me what has been sold today here. Okay, so from scrolling down, I'm gonna choose an item that I think is being dropshipped. You can tell from the pictures and everything. So we're gonna go to Home and Garden. Choose that, for example. This is everything that's been sold today from Home and Garden.